Hi, in this video I'll be showing you how to complete your profile once you've signed up and created an account on divorcepros.co.za. The first thing you want to do is open your browser. You want to navigate to divorcepros.co.za and you want to click on the login link. Complete your username and password as you entered it when you signed up or created your account. You may want to click this Remember Me checkbox here. When you log in for the first time, you will see this screen with this button that says Complete My Profile, so you can simply click on that, or you can go to My Next Step and click on Update Profile. You will notice this message at the top that informs you that your spouse does not need to register an account. One account is sufficient for both of you to complete the process. Next, you'll simply complete the missing information on this page. And click on the Submit button. The next step will be to complete the terms and conditions for our service, but that step I will explain in a next video.